New to 3D printing? Here are the essential tools. Check them out! Diagonal plier. It can remove supports, trim models, and easily cut filament when there's a feeding issue. Deburring tool. When printing, we often add a brim to prevent warping at the base. Removing it cleanly can be tricky, but this tool makes quick work of that. Heat gun. When printing tall or slender models, you may see fine stringing. A quick pass with the heat gun removes them. Alternatively, a windproof lighter works just as well. For multi-part models that need assembly, we recommend 401 glue. It has low fluidity, strong bonding, and dries clear so it won't mar the model's surface. Build plate scraper. If a model sticks too firmly to the bed, a scraper can be inserted into the gap between the model and the plate to gently pry it off, preventing breakage from pulling by hand. Acrylic paint. For models that need a simple paint job, acrylics are a great choice. They're easy to apply and come in a wide range of colors. Liquid glue stick. Your printer comes with a PEI build plate, but over time its adhesion may decrease. Simply clean the plate and apply a thin layer of liquid glue stick. It restores the bed's grip. Lubricant. It plays a vital role in 3D printer maintenance. After extended use, you need to lubricate the X and Y axes and other smooth rods. Simply wipe the parts clean and spray the lubricant evenly.